The English Panda.
Good evening. Welcome to Sunrise Hotel. How may I help you?
I have a reservation under the name Emma.
Yes, Miss Emma. I see your booking here. May I have your ID, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. You've booked a deluxe single room for 3 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Perfect. Do you have any special requests?
A room with a nice view, if possible.
Let me check. Yes, we can arrange a room with a city view on the 8th floor.
That would be great, thank you.
You're welcome. Here is your room key card.
Okay, great.
Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. Do you need help with your luggage?
No, I'm fine, thank you.
If you need anything during your stay, please dial 0 from your room phone.
Sure, I will.
Enjoy your stay at Sunrise Hotel. The elevator is to your right.
Thank you very much.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channels for such amazing videos. Do hype this video if you like this video. Thank you, see you again.